this is where we're going to camp, yeah, here. This is the chief's house. He's away fishing at the moment, he's not here. And I feel like there's a little bit of hesitation with the villagers, because I think obviously the normal thing would be to arrive and approach the chief and be sort of initiated into their kind of company that way, but because he's not here, everyone's a little bit standoffish. But he's there, we'll put our tents over here at this area they've suggested for us, which is a good area for a camp. We'll make a little fire. Be nice. Octochons often work as labourers for Bantu. Their extensive knowledge means they're also experts in hunting, fishing and gathering food from the forest. But of course anything procured from the land automatically belongs to the chief. What's he up to? What's he doing with his machete?
He is going to build a small house to smoke fish.
So you need sticks like this?
Yes.
And then the fish go in the middle for smoking, huh? Yeah, like that, look. A brilliant demonstration. Does he live here in this village?
How
long has he lived here?
Since when he was born.
Does he have children? 4?
4 children.
Well, me too. Did he hear about the immunizations? Does he know about that?
We come from forest because our forest fishing.
Yeah.
And now he asked his wife to come here.
With the kids. Yeah. Oh, good. Well, tell him we'll see him later when we do the vaccinations. We'll see him then. Over the years, as a result of warfare and deforestation, Octochon families have been displaced from the forests and forced to settle on Bantu land. Reliant on Bantus for work, the Octochons essentially became their slaves. Many live in their homes of their Bantu masters,